Okay, so the question is, a parachutist bails out from an aeroplane and after dropping through a distance of 40 meters, he opens the parachute and retards at 2 meters per second square. He reaches the ground with the speed of 2 meters per second. And how long is he in the air? At what height did bail out from the plane? Okay guys, actually this question is solved in two cases. First, when the parachutist falls freely, okay, and after that when he opens the parachute and he is now not in free fall situation. In fact, it is now retarding slowly at the rate of 2 meters per second square towards the अर्थ. सो इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने में हम लोग दो केसेस सॉल्व करेंगे. पहले केस में वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट टाइम एंड द वेलोसिटी बिफोर द सेकेंड केस स्टार्ट्स. ओके, सो लेट्स सी हाउ वी प्रोसीड. Okay, first case when I told you like parachutist falls freely. When it falls freely, you know, initial velocity is 0, okay, and g will be 9.8 meter per second square because it's falling freely, so we are taking the value g as plus 9.8, and it is going to cover 40 meter distance, so we are taking displacement straight way 40 meter. We have to find out time for the free fall case only. Final speed it achieves before the start of second case, right? Okay, so we are going to use the equation s is equal to ut plus half at square. Put the values. S has 40, initial speed u is 0, g is 9.8, and t we have to find out. After calculating, we got t as 2.86 second. Preserve it. Okay, finally we are going to add this time in the last case too, and to calculate speed, like before the parachute opens, how much speed the parachutist have achieved, what we are going to use? We are going to use the equation v is equal to u plus at. So g will be added instead of a, u will be 0, g is 9.8, time what we are going to use? The initial one, 20 by 7, yeah, 2.86. okay, any of you can use it, and the speed will be 28 meter per second. Now the second case start when the parachutist retard uniformly, okay, because his parachute is open, right? Now he is not in the falls freely situation, right? Now he will move with the speed 28 meter per second, and acceleration is not g. Now acceleration is -2. Why -2? Because he is retarding, and the final velocity is 2 meter per second. Okay, now our main question here is how much time he will take to descend at earth. So we have to find out time, and which equation we are going to use is v is equal to u plus at, right? And time will be v minus u upon a. V is 2, u is 28. 28 from where we got? From the case 1, right? And acceleration will be -2. So we put the values, we got time 13 seconds. After that we have to calculate the distance. Okay, how much distance it covered. So s is equal to ut plus half at square. Alright, 28 into 13 minus half, 2 into 13 square. Alright, so the distance it covered will be 195 meter. Alright, so this is the distance when parachutist retards with the help of parachute. It covers distance 195 meter. And now what important is how much time he was in the air. Alright, so time taken will be 30 was with the help of parachute, and the first time also when he was falling freely, the time then was 2.86. we have to add both the times, 2.86 plus 13, and we got 15.86 second. Then height at which parachutist bails out his parachute, that is very important to calculate. So the height, total height, obviously he will achieved will be 40 plus 195, that is 235 meter. Okay, thank you.